Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it feels kind of weird saying that because I did take a little bit of a YouTube break. I just kind of was not in the mood to film. I just really had no desire. I had no motivation. I was just really trying to be present in my own life. And I know you guys understand that. You guys know that I like to keep a really good balance between having my life out on the internet, showing you what I'm up to. My ice machine's making ice, so that's what all these noises are. And also just enjoying my time, you know? Sometimes people don't understand what it's like to be on the other side of the camera, you know, and I've mentioned this in prior vlogs that sometimes my friends are like, why aren't you vlogging this? Like, why aren't you doing this? And it's because simply I want to actually see it with my eyes and not see it through the lens. And I don't know if that's just a concept that I'm familiar with because I've been doing this for so long, but it's just something that sometimes you need a break. And so I took a break, but I have like every week been thinking about how I wanted to film and like content I wanted to create. So I decided today we are going to start the weekly vlog. It is Tuesday. I just got back from my workout class and now I'm about to have a protein smoothie. I've actually kind of neglected making these smoothies. I just have been drinking protein with water because it's just easier. But I do like making smoothies occasionally because of all of the nutrients I pack into it. So in this smoothie, we are using the Vega. This is the chocolate and greens. It's a vegan protein. I really, really like it. It has 20 grams of protein in it. So I have that. I also put some PB2, which is just powdered peanut butter. It takes out the fat. I like to use almond butter and stuff for like when I'm having, you know, a snack. But if it's gonna be mixed into my smoothie, I might as well just use the powder, cut some fat out. I did add some maca powder in it. This is really good for energy. It also helps your libido, which, why not? I have spinach, we have a banana, there's some strawberries in there. And so I'm gonna blend this up and I'm gonna top it with chia seeds, coconut flakes, and hemp seeds for some added protein. So that is what I'm up to this morning. I did kind of go through my morning routine. I do have a video on what my morning routine is if you want to check that out. So I really like to get my morning routine in before I hit the gym. Went to my workout class, and now I'm gonna have a smoothie. And then I have a facial appointment at 12:30, which I'm gonna take you guys to. It's a 2-hour facial extraordinaire. I am so excited to just relax and get treatments done to my skin. Ileana really customizes her program according to what your skin's needs are. So I'm excited to have her kind of consult my skin a little bit, have her let me know what I'm lacking, what she thinks I should implement or kind of switch up a little bit, and then enjoy the treatments that she offers me. So I'm gonna take you along with that, but first I'm gonna drink this smoothie and I'll catch up with you in a little bit. That I update you. I have not been filming intros. I've still been filming the clips as to what I've been up to this week. There's a lot of updates. So let's start with my facial, which was absolutely amazing. When I tell you it's a grand experience, that's exactly what it is. Ileana did so many treatments to my face. She did the dermaplaning, which has completely just made my skin like a baby's bottom. So smooth, I have no hair, it feels great, and now I'm probably gonna get addicted to it and need to upkeep it. And just like a quick question that I know I had about dermaplaning is whether your hair grows back thicker or darker, and it doesn't, but the hair will grow back as it did prior to when you had the service. So just keep that in mind. Also, I went to a Saks Fifth Avenue fashion show for Fendi, which was really, really well put together. enjoyed myself watching that. I met a couple local bloggers, which was cool too, because I don't really ever meet people that are kind of in the industry that I'm in. I also had a job interview to host Designing Spaces, which is a show that airs on Lifetime. So I'm now gonna be the new host of that, which is so exciting. A girl that buys my Monet products, follows me on Instagram. She is a producer for the studio and brought me in to tour and casted me for the show, and the executives decided to go forward with me. So that's really awesome. I know I will be starting this month. Sorry, I'm like switching my hands. And then last night I met up with some girlfriends that I've known for over 20 years. You guys know Kaylee. I saw Rachel, Nina, and Alexis. We went to El Camino for dinner and celebrated Rachel's wedding weekend. She's getting married tomorrow, so we're all getting together for that. And we just had some dinner and kind of caught up and laugh. And now I'm heading to work. There is a food and wine festival in Boca, so I'm heading there now. This is what I'm wearing. They said casual chic, so this is my casual chic. H&M bodysuit. These pants are from Perfect Proper, I think it's called. Belt is also H&M, and my shoes are Lulu. So, and then I'm also wearing it with my Forever 21 backpack. I know that lighting just went crazy, which I think is so cute that I got. So that is what I'm up to today. I will take you along. I'll show you what work looks like. I will show you what the wedding looks like. And I hope you guys have enjoyed me vlogging again. I'm gonna keep it up. We're back and we're better. So stay tuned. If you need a new snack or breakfast to try, I would highly recommend taking some toast. I did butter it with soy-free butter, and then I put some avocado and a hard-boiled egg, salt and pepper. This is like doing it for me right now, so definitely try this out if you're looking for a new snack or meal idea. Just sitting on my floor, and this may be something really random to talk about, but I want to stress the importance of having like a folder with your important documents. I also have some memories, like I have my birth certificate, some cards, things, you know, this was something, it was from my dad. It was just an appointment I had, you know, one of something when I went through his things I found and I kept. So I have an important side, and then I also have a receipt side. So I'm just going through my receipts from the last couple months, seeing what is outdated, what I don't need anymore, and keeping the papers that I find to be useful. Otherwise, I will tear these in half and throw them away. So definitely keep your stuff in order. This is all about like having your life together and not adding more stress. And when everything is readily available for you, it just makes life so much easier. Another thing to declutter is your lipsticks. These were kind of dried out, or the colors were outdated and I didn't find interest in them. So now my vase is only filled with products that I will use. And I do this every so often, just go through my old, you know, makeup items that no longer serve me. I love just feeling like things aren't gonna fall out of this, because this is what was happening. I was so full that lipsticks were falling out left and right. So now we are new and improved. So that is it for this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you enjoy seeing my face again. Please comment down below if you enjoyed, and let me know what your favorite part of this vlog is, what you would like to see in upcoming videos as well. So I'm just going to head to the gym now. As I started the vlog, we're having a good week. This week's definitely been very productive and progressive and filled with new opportunity, which I'm digging it. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your week, and until my next video, I'll see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.